Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to autoplay background music to Wix website tutorial. Let's get started. So to do that, you can see that I'm on the Wix website editor. Now from in there, just click on this plus icon right here, which is to add elements. And then from in there, click on Wix Music. And then in here, you have the Wix Music here for this compact view as well as this album view right here. Now, for example, you can also use audio players and also all of this music's right here, but I will just use this one. And then just click on the one that you want to add to your website. Now let's just click on that and then drag it on the part of our website. Now that we have done that, it will be added to our website in no time. So as you can see, it's been added. So in order to autoplay that, you just need to head over and click on Manage Music right here. And then once you have claimed that, you should be able to see this Wix dashboard right here that will open once you have clicked that. Now this will load and show you this Wix Music welcome banner, and you can create an album, a single, or a playlist. So in here, just choose which one you want. So for example, you can actually just click on the straight single right here. And then from in there, you can add tracks. So you can add a single cover, single name, single version, all of that. And then you can also allow downloads if you want to sell it to your actual customers. Now, from in there, you can also just link other music platforms and you can also see demos of the specific actual music. So just fill out everything right here and you should be able to be ready to go in order to be added your music to your Wix website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to autoplay background music to Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!